Or do you in any way have the personalities of a queen? Have you got the personalities of a queen? Do you look like a queen? Okay, and you're not even pretty. Ogechi, you look like air. You look like baboon. Ogechi, you look like a mwe. You look like a grip. Ogechi, you're not supposed to be addressing yourself as a queen.
So from my hospital bed, I decided to do this video, or to make this video. This video is going to Mariam Shehu and Ogechi. I didn't want to talk about this all this while this thing has been happening, okay, but because my husband said I should ignore, I shouldn't put my mouth there. Yeah, but I told him I'm not going to insult anybody because I don't bully people. He should allow me to just address one or two things. He said okay. Let me go straight to the point. I have been seeing posts by Mariam Shehu, okay, and, you know, trying to express her anger, which she has right to, and then making the world or the public know that she was offended, which she has right also to do. Ogechi is in Nigeria, and recently she tendered an apology to you, and I've been seeing posts of you. You made a video last time talking about your 75 years old mother. She bullied her, and the most recent post you're saying those people who don't want you to forgive or who want you to forgive, blah 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 blah. This forgiveness thing, I think you guys are really overflogging it. Madam, my kind of person, you don't know me from anywhere. I don't know you, okay? I am not the type of person that bully or insult people, but I can tell you the truth, how it is. If you want to forgive, you forgive and let go. If you don't want to forgive, don't forgive and hold on to what you're holding on to. It's not going to change or take away a strand of hair from anybody's body or anybody's hair. It will not. Okay, madam? Because you guys are really making this rubbish look like it's one important thing. The world doesn't revolve around anybody. Whether Ogechi is arrested, detained today anywhere in the world, is not going to stop our existence. It's not going to stop anybody from existing. Okay? The truth is that the reason Ogechi has to do the right things is because Nigerian system is somehow, if he were to be in abroad, both you and Ogechi offended each other. Ogechi didn't come to your house to knock on your door and started insulting you. Ogechi didn't know you from anywhere. You made series of videos, which I've seen on social media. Anybody that is online that is lying that they were not following this saga for the past 5 years or 7 years, the person is a liar. Even those who don't have pages, they've been following this Igbo saga for a long time. They know your activities on social media, madam. They know how you've contributed through the platforms that were bullying Ogechi. These guys assassinated her character. They tarnished her image. They dragged her family. Okay, most of the things she did it out of provocation. If you were to be in abroad, that is what is called provocation. When somebody is provoked or pushed to the wall, the person can defend herself anyhow with any ability she has. If it's with word of mouth, she can use it. Then the court will settle it. Okay, I'm not trying to defend her actions 100%, and I'm not even trying to condemn you either. I'm not also trying to condemn Ogechi. What I'm saying is this, that people know the truth. Some of your videos, I will play some of your voice records on this video. You listen to what you said to Ogechi. I will just play only one video where you were calling her Ikwi, where you were calling her that she looks like Ikiri. You don't address a woman, a human being, as an animal.
A queen? Or do you in any way have the personalities of a queen? Have you got the personalities of a queen? Do you look like a queen? Okay, and you're not even pretty. Ogechi, you look like air. You look like baboon. Ogechi, you look like a mwe. You look like a grip. Okay, you're not supposed to be addressing yourself as a queen.
It's cyberbullying. It's an insult. If you were to be in abroad, okay, she can sue you for that. She ignored you after you made that video. You made another video saying, so you knew you were in Akoyon. She hasn't replied you then. You now started analyzing how she comes out and she will rub lipstick to look better. You started explaining how she has wrinkles all over her face because she's fighting people. You went ahead to threaten to close her NGO. And you alleged on the video that she's using the NGO to scam people when she has not scammed you. These things were cyberbullying, character assassinations. It was after you now told her you were going to close her NGO, that you have connection with federal government. Not the federal government, that was when she started replying you and she came for you. You know, some people that were close to her told her to stop. Somebody like me, even presently, I am still begging Ogechi to stop, to learn how to ignore people. Because she's my sister, she's my friend. She's not just only my sister, she's my wife. Okay? So why am I doing this video? You know, when you cry so much, it will not look like Ogechi is insulting everybody on Facebook. Anybody she sees, she will bully. Igbo people have a way of covering evil. She bullied you and accused you of kidnapping children from orphanage home. When those kids were taken, as somebody that is fighting for Igbo, madam, you never made a video to condemn that act. You were associating yourself with Palace of Justice and other platforms where Ogechi was being dragged. These were the things that made her to bully you. It's not as if you don't have right to go to any platform of your choice, but at your level, at your position, and because of the kind of man you married and the kind of environment you got married to, even me at my level, there are platforms you cannot see me comment there. There are places you can't see me calling. There are people that cannot have my number, that even if they get it from social media and call me once, I hear their voice, I'll cut it off and block them. There are people I don't associate with. Okay, your association with most of these people, there were posts when you met those days, calling some of them your brothers and your sisters. People that were bullying her, that you were going to defend them. Okay, so you involved yourself into the insults you received. Even the people you were fighting with, most of them have bullied you severally. So why is Ogechi's own bully that so special? Because her name attracts publicity and crowd. The people you joined hands with, you were calling on their platforms, bullying Ogechi, they've also bullied you one time or the other. They've called you names. They've called you a nobody. You left them. You forgave them. So what is special about your forgiveness for Ogechi now? Why I'm making this video is for you to redirect your steps.